A web server is a computer program or software that serves as the backbone of the World Wide Web. It is responsible for hosting, processing, and delivering web content to clients upon request. When you access a website or web application, your browser sends a request to the web server, which then responds by sending the requested files, typically in the form of HTML pages, images, CSS stylesheets, JavaScript files, and other resources. The primary functions of a web server include hosting websites. A web server stores and serves the files that make up websites. It manages and delivers HTML documents, multimedia files, scripts, and other resources necessary to display web pages in a browser. Processing client requests. When a user's browser sends a request for a specific web page or resource, the web server receives and processes that request. It locates the requested file, performs any necessary processing or scripting, and sends the response back to the client. Handling protocols. Web servers use various protocols to communicate with clients. The most common protocol is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which enables the transfer of web content between clients and servers. Secure versions like HTTPS, HTTP Secure, use encryption for secure data transmission. Managing security. Web servers implement security measures to protect data and prevent unauthorized access. This includes secure communication protocols, authentication mechanisms, access control, and encryption of sensitive data. Logging and monitoring. Web servers often maintain logs that record information about incoming requests, server activity, errors, and other relevant details. These logs can be used for troubleshooting, monitoring server performance, and analyzing web traffic. Popular web server software includes Apache HTTP Server, Nginx, Microsoft Internet Information Services, IIS, and Google's Go-based server called GWS, Google Web Server. These servers can be installed on dedicated hardware or hosted in the cloud to serve websites and web applications. It's important to note that a web server is distinct from a web browser. A web server provides content to browsers, while browsers interpret and display that content to users.